Hello viewers, my name is Tutor Mwansa. I will be taking you in chemistry. Chemistry is a simple subject, but many people find difficulties in it. So we'll be looking at one of the topics, the foundational topics in chemistry, which is matter. So let us answer the questions I have provided here. Let's look at the first one. What is matter? Many people still get confused with this simple definition of matter. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. What do I mean? Yourself, you're an example of matter. You occupy space and you have mass. Another example of matter is the desk or this board in front of you. This board is occupying this space and it has mass. There are several examples of matter. Even oxygen, the air you breathe, it's matter. Water that you drink, it's also matter. So note that. Alright? So let me write it down for you. Matter. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Alright? So I advise you to revisit this same definition over and over and over. Repetition is the key to learning something. So recite it over and over until you can say it, even when I wake you up at 03 and say, what is matter? Alright, let's go to the next question. State the 3 basic units of matter. The 3 basic units of matter. Many people confuse the 3 basic units of matter with the states of matter. They are 2 completely different things, alright? So when I say the 3 basic units of matter, I mean the smallest particles that make up matter, alright? When I say the 3 basic units of matter, I mean the smallest particles that make up matter, alright? So let's state the 3 basic units of matter. These are, number 1, atoms. So this is solution for number 1, solution for number 2. Atoms, alright? This is one of the basic units of matter. The question says state the 3, so I'm stating the 3. We start with the first one, atoms. The second basic unit of matter are molecules. And the third are ions. Is that alright? I'm sure it's fine. Okay, so these are the 3 basic units of matter. Take note, they are not states, they are basic units, the smallest particles that make up matter. Alright? Let's go to the next question. State the 3 states of matter. I know the sentence looks a bit tricky. State the 3 states of matter. This state is asking us about states of matter. Alright? The forms in which matter takes up. Example, liquid. No, not example. Those are the states. Number 1 is liquid, the next is a solid, and the last is a gas. An example of a liquid now is water. I hope that's right. An example of a solid is a brick. An example of a gas is oxygen. Alright. So let me write down the 3 states of matter. So take note, basic units, the smallest particles that make up everything, or matter. The smallest particles that make up matter. Atoms, molecules, ions, alright? Take note. Then the 3 states of matter are solids, liquids, and gases. An example of a solid, as I told you earlier, a brick. An example of a liquid, water. An example of a gas, oxygen. Alright, let's move on. Question 4. Mention the 3 physical properties of the 3 states of matter. This sentence might look a bit confusing, but it's actually simple. Mention the 3 physical properties. Alright? So we're just looking at 2 in this case, which are 1, shape, and 2, volume. So now the one has to identify these physical properties of the three states. So I'll show you a memory aid to this. So follow me carefully as I explain this. You copy this down, then let me explain the memory aid that you can use. Alright, so the first step you do is identify the three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. And talk about gas first. Write the letter G, another G, alright, just two G's. Then look at liquids, write L, another L, and lastly look at solids, S and S. Is that right? Okay, so we then go to this middle column, alright? So what we have to do here is write letter N 3 times, okay? That is the first G we write an N, the second G we write an N, and the last and where we have L we write an N. Is that okay? Then we start writing the letter F on the next L. The second L we write letter F. So we have to write 3 N's and 3 F's. So we have F, F, and F. Is that right? Then finally, what we have to do is just remember 2 letters at the end. We write S and V. The physical properties I told you at first. Shape and volume. So we write S, V, S, V, S, V. It should follow each other in that manner. S, V, S, V, S, V. N, 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 F, F, F. G, G, L, L, S, S. Then we can identify the physical properties of each. So when we talk about gases and shape, we say gases have no fixed shape. Do you see that? Then when we talk about gases and volume, we say gases have no fixed volume. Alright? Then when we talk about liquids, we say liquids have no fixed shape. Alright? Then when we talk about volume for liquids, we say liquids have a fixed volume. Okay? Then we talk about solids. Solids have a fixed shape. Then when we talk about solids having volumes, we say solids have fixed volumes. This memory aid will help you when you want to remember what exact physical property is for this state. It will be very helpful. Just keep it in mind and practice it every day so that it should be in your brain. Alright? So I'll end here for today and we'll carry on from here. Thank you.